What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to download and install custom fonts on your iOS 13 device. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. In your native settings application, go to General and then Fonts to preview the fonts which you are about to install. These can be found and previewed from here later on. iOS 13 has Apple fonts pre-installed. But to get custom fonts from Google or other providers, you will need to install those from your browser or dedicated apps. I suggest you to install the free font application Fontier. After you downloaded the application, open it up and tap on this plus sign to create a new collection. Next, select to add new fonts to this collection. You can choose as few or many as you want, and when you're done, simply tap on Add to Collection. Finally, tap on Install Fonts and the app will redirect you to the Safari browser. It will ask you to download the profile. When this is done, go back to your general settings and at the bottom go to the profile section. Here, you will be able to install your font collection, which you created with Fontier. After you have entered your passcode and installed the profile containing the fonts, you will also be able to remove the profile in the settings menu. When going back to the font section, you should see your installed fonts. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.